Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing paint and medium so the paint flows and bonds. Pour a small amount of solvent into a glass jar and add oil paint in a separate palette well. Mix roughly 1 part solvent to 1 part paint for loose, absorbent underlayers. Once mixed, load a flat brush, check consistency on scrap canvas, and make sure the paint spreads without puddling. This step controls drying speed and adhesion, so take a minute to test and adjust thickness before moving on to larger strokes. Next, block in forms with thinned washes to establish value, color, and composition. Use broader brushes and keep marks decisive. You want an accurate map before committing details. Once the underlayer is tacky, make paint fatter by mixing small amounts of linseed or poppy oil, about 5 to 10% per layer, to prevent cracking. Then refine shapes with thicker, more opaque strokes, glazing where needed. Make sure drying times lengthen as you fatten layers so each coat cures properly. For final steps, concentrate on edges, highlights, and subtle texture. Use small brushes and slightly fattier paint to get crisp highlights and controlled impasto. Once done, step back often to judge contrast. Make sure to clean and seal brushes properly and allow the painting to cure fully, often months, before varnishing. If problems appear, like wrinkling or flaking, stop work, let the piece dry, and test a small remedial strip. Thin top layers, or remove and reapply with correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.